today we'll be talking about HPV, Human Papilloma Virus. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the types of HPV, the causes, the symptoms, and ways to protect yourself. So human papilloma virus is a common viral infection that affects both men and women. There are two types of human papilloma virus. The first type is the low-risk human papilloma virus. The low-risk HPV, that's type 6 and 11, they cause genital warts. The high-risk HPV, type 16 and 18, cause cervical cancer and other types of cancer. So HPV is transmitted in three ways. The first is skin-to-skin contact. If you've been in direct contact, skin-to-skin contact with somebody that has HPV, you are predisposed to getting human papilloma virus. It is also transmitted via sexual contact, vaginal, anal, or oral sex inclusive. It is also transmitted via mother-to-child transmission, that is during childbirth. So symptoms of HPV include genital warts. These are small flesh-colored bumps around the genital area. This is caused by low-risk HPV. High-risk HPV causes cervical cancer, which may not show symptoms till it is advanced. High-risk HPV can also cause other forms of cancer like anal, oropharyngeal, and penile cancer. So treatments for symptoms of HPV. Genital warts can be treated by application of topical creams. It can also be treated by cryotherapy, that's freezing them off. Cervical cancer and other forms of cancer that are caused by HPV can be treated via surgery, chemotherapy, and also radiation therapy. Untreated cervical cancer can lead to complications such as pelvic pain, vaginal bleeding, and kidney damage. Other forms of cancer can lead to organ damage, metastasis, and even death. So human papilloma virus is pretty serious. Now I'm going to be telling you how you get diagnosed for human papilloma virus before I tell you how to prevent it. I really encourage you, if you're a female and you're sexually active, you should get a pap test at least every year. So a pap test will indicate if there's presence of abnormal cells in the cervix. A biopsy too can also confirm if those abnormal cells are cancerous. HPV can be prevented via vaccination with HPV vaccine. It can also be prevented using safe sex practices like use of condoms and dental dams for those that indulge in oral sex. It can also be prevented by taking pap tests often, like on yearly basis. So even if you actually come down with cervical cancer, your prognosis are better when the cancer is caught early. It is also worthy to note that HPV is the most common sexually transmitted infection worldwide. It is also the leading cause of cancer-related deaths. Please protect yourselves. We've come to the end of this video. I hope you got value and I hope you've subscribed. If you've not subscribed, please, this is the right time to subscribe. I will see you in my next video.